So far we have added only entry to the database. Now let's go and update and delete the entries from the database. So for that, again, we are for the DDL operations in the GraphQL, we are using mutation. So we are adding two more mutation, update and delete. For the update, we are taking the input, update book input, and we are returning whatever we have updated. Here the only mandatory field is the ID. So we are passing the ID here, and we can update either, for example here, right, either title or author. And for the delete book, we are deleting the book by the ID. So that's it. That's the only changes that we make here. And now let's go to run our server one more time. So let's go ahead here and run our server. After our server is running, now we can go ahead and test our queries. So first one is that under mutation header, right, we have three mutations now here. We have add book, which we have tested, and we have also update the book. So for the update the book, we are, let's say that we want to update the book with the ID 3 to something like a Java deep dive. So let me a bit move here. Java deep dive, new edition, right? So we want to update the title. Let's do that. Let's run our query. Actually, before that, let's go to the database. Let's go to the database and see that we have here the book with the ID 3 has the title of Java Deep Dive Edition 2. Now let's go and update that. So let's go update it to the new edition instead of the edition 2. So let's run it. It's now updated, Java Deep Dive New Edition. And let's go and run it. So as you can see here, it's also reflected in the database. That's the first one. And let's also test our second mutation, which is the delete book. Let's say that we want to delete the book with the ID of 5 here, right? So we are deleting the book with the ID of 5. ID of 5 is the pragmatic programmer that we have just added. Let's remove it. Let's go back to the Postman, and in the Postman, let's remove this for delete book. Let's run it, and it returns us boolean true. And if we can go update here in the database, the book is deleted.